Having your period on vacation can be frustrating, but there are ways to stay comfortable. When packing for your trip, be sure to bring an ample supply of menstrual hygiene products such as tampons, pads, or a menstrual cup. Overestimate how many products you'll need to avoid running out. Keep in mind that some countries may have limited access to painkillers, so bring enough for the duration of your period. Consider packing a heat pad for additional comfort. Choose appropriate clothing that is comfortable and allows for movement, and consider waterproof or period underwear to prevent leaks. Plan your activities wisely by avoiding strenuous activities on the first day of your period. Get plenty of sleep if you feel extra tired during this time. If you anticipate having sex on your vacation, pack dark towels to use for added comfort. Schedule restroom breaks to check the status of your menstrual hygiene products and be prepared with a suitable change if necessary. When wearing a swimsuit, choose one with more coverage and consider wearing dark-colored bottoms or waterproof shorts for added protection.